In today's video, we will focus on the maintenance module in Leon. If you want to access the module, you need to hover your mouse on the MX tab, and here you will find a few sections. First of all, you will find the Fleet section, in which all of your airplanes will be visible. You will be able to see the aircraft type, registration, and some total aircraft hours and total aircraft limits, which you can define in the aircraft profile. At the upper part of the screen, you can select the aircraft type. You can also filter through the status of the aircraft, the ACMI, total aircraft hours, and total aircraft cycles date and source of the flight. When you click on the pen icon in the action column, you will be able to enter the tail. And first of all, you will be able to see Documents tab, in which all the documents which apply for this particular aircraft will be visible. But also you will have CAM tab. In here you can define the airframe, so the start date and the start of total date hours and cycles. Also you can define the warnings and limits. On the right, you will be able to define the engine and EPU details. The next section in the MX module is Scheduled Maintenance. In here you will be able to create and check the currently added maintenance events for your tails. On the upper left corner, you will be able to define the dates of the maintenance events that should be visible. You can use the arrows to move to the past and to the future, and also you can focus on the current date. You can filter out for the status of the maintenance, so if it's completed or open, and you have the aircraft filter to limit the view of the tails, in which you can also create presets to more easily apply the filters. You can also export this data to PDF or to an Excel file. If you would like to create a new maintenance event, you just need to click Add Scheduled Maintenance at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then the window will pop up and you will be able to define the name of the maintenance, the status if it's open or completed. You will need to choose an aircraft, airport, but also you can define the work order or the supplier and facility. If the aircraft is grounded and not able to fly, you can mark the box Aircraft on the ground, and then the color of the maintenance will be changed from brown to red. Also, you can mark the box if maintenance is confirmed. In this case, if you mark the box, the color of the background will be plain brown. In case this is not marked, it will be stripe brown. You can define time period, CAM limits, maintenance cost, and currency. But also you can add tags, notes, and upload files. You can also edit the currently added maintenance events in the action column after clicking on the pen icon. Also in here, you can check the history of changes. So when you click on the clock icon, all the changes will be visible for you. Once the maintenance is added, you can easily check this maintenance in other modules of Leon as well. So you can access, for example, Ops, Calendar or Timeline, or even Crew Timeline to check those maintenance events. The last tab in the MX module is called Hold Item List, or HILs. In this section in the upper left corner, you can also define the dates of the HILs that should be visible. You can change the dates with the arrows, you can change the sorting, you can filter out the airplanes that should be visible with the possibility to create presets, and you have the filter for special HIL item number, MEL item number, flight limitations, and status. In the main view, you will be able to see currently added HILs, so you can edit them from the action column by clicking on the pen icon, or you can delete them by clicking on the bin icon. If you need to create a new HIL, you just need to click on the Add New HIL on the bottom left corner. Here you will be able to specify the aircraft, HIL item number, MEL item number, date, found by, due date, extension due date. The entry type can be define, so if it's a work deferred or MEL item, in case a MEL item is selected, you will also be able to choose the category of the item. You can mark the box if the parts are already ordered. You can define the signed by. You can define the procedure in case of the MEL if it's ops procedure, maintenance, ops and maintenance, or none. You can also define the flight time limitations. So if they occur, then yes, no, or to be confirmed. In case you select yes, then you can define the limitation in the note field. You can mark the box if corrected and input other data. When you click on Save, the HIL will be added. Now, when someone will try to add a flight during the dates that are defined in HIL, Leon will issue a warning so it won't be missed by the crew.